And actually, we probably haven't really seen a capital winter ourselves over the past 18 months. From a mainland China perspective, I think of COVID more as a V-shaped recovery from a market perspective. Obviously, Hong Kong has maybe been a little bit more challenging in that regard, but I think Hong Kong is stabilized and recovering well as well. And one of the signs of confidence, I would say, in this part of the world is really attracting talent. And we're starting to see now serious pickup in recruitment from banks, private equity, and other forms of financial investor organizations. And they're typically the rich hunting ground who attack PwC staff. And I think, some people are saying this is the hottest capital market they've seen in mainland China in years. So asset values are very, very high. I think there's a feeling it could be a bubble, and there could be a window of opportunity. So we are certainly seeing from our clients, investors, a real acceleration in activity in the marketplace and a real appetite. I think, as Eric said, obviously with a degree of precision and focus on those areas that are likely to be the hottest as we go forward. But I think, obviously compared to the West, I think this part of the world is a very different dynamic. And the way we run our business, is very much focused on Asia, Asia Pacific and China. From a tech perspective, tech development perspective going forward, we increasingly see clients wanting Chinese technology, for example, or local technology, not relying on, and Eric talked about data. With the data sovereignty challenges today, there is a big focus on cloud and cybersecurity and these other challenges. So that is driving a lot of local investment, as well as a need for governments to have an end-to-end supply chain. In today's environment, I think a number of countries were caught with shortages from a supply chain perspective. So that, again, is driving a lot more domestic focus, domestic investment. So I think very exciting times for us sitting in this part of the world.